As part of celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, BSF Meghalaya on 28th July 2022 conducted a plantation drive in the bordering area of Southwest Khasi Hills District, Meghalaya. Shri Indrajit Singh Rana, IG BSF Meghalaya, inaugurated the event by planting saplings at the border outpost Rajai. Subsequently, many saplings and fruit-bearing plants were planted by BSF troops in the border area. IGBSF in his speech emphasized the need of realizing the importance of respecting and protecting forest wealth and the rich flora and fauna for future generations. He appreciated BSF troops for their overwhelming contribution in the plantation drive as an important duty towards Mother Earth.